Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video with pictures and music in iMovie. So first things first, you're going to open up iMovie and you're going to see here project media, it'll say my movie. That is actually the same thing that's up here, so you can click on that later when you want to save that. Okay, or actually here, I'll just go ahead and save it now. It's going to tell me to do that. So teeth whitening, and then hit OK, and then it saves it to all of your files. All right, so we're going to go back in here and it's going to open it up. So if you wanted to add a file, which is, this will be blank, where this mouse is will all be blank. You're going to go to, on a MacBook, you're going to go to Finder, your Finder option, and you're going to select that. It's going to pull up your files for you. And then what you'll do, and unfortunately, well, the easiest way is to just drag one over and then boom, it's in there. Okay, well, I already had that one in there. But as you can see, if you made one, so what I did actually here, I'll just show you. So I went to Canva and I clicked on Facebook post and I clicked on create a new one. So templates, you just scroll through a template and let's do things together, for example. This would be, you can actually click on this and type in whatever you want. Okay, and then after you do that, you download it, and then you hit download. It's going to download it for free, and now you have that file. Okay, so now when I go back to iMovie, this is here, I can go to Finder, find that file under downloads, because that's where whenever you download something, it goes to downloads, and you drag it over here and you let it go. Okay, so now that's in there, but I'm actually going to delete media because I don't need that in this one. All right, cool. So now I have, what I do then is you just take your picture and you drag it wherever you want it to go. If you want it here or there or whatever, you'll drag it and you can order it however you want to do it. When you go to the left, if you hit space bar, it'll play. Right now it's playing my video, but as you can tell, it has zero sound. So how do we find sound? Well, we need to get sound that's legal to get. So with that, you go up here and you go to YouTube Audio Library. You'll search YouTube Audio Library and YouTube Music Library. So you'll click on this, and there's free music, and you can go through and select whatever you want. So let's see, genre for teeth. I don't know. Let's do, I like dance and electronic music anyway, so let's try this. So Firefly. And then I like to go to the middle because it always changes with electronic music. Dark Cloak. Middle. I don't like that one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I feel this one. Yep. All right, cool. So we found our music. So we're going to hit download. And that's going to download to your computer. So again, we're going to go to iMovie. And then we're going to go to Finder on the MacBook. And you'll see that the file has been downloaded. We're going to add that to the media. And then in the media section, you just hit the plus button. Now you'll notice though that this is longer. So you have two options. You can actually go back up here and add more teeth pictures by hitting the plus sign. So now it tells you you're at 1 minute and 4 seconds right there. So maybe a minute is good. Click the link in the description. All you have to do is brush. Okay, again, this video is for a teeth whitening thing we're going to use. So anyway, now what we do is we need to shorten the music. So we take this and we just drag it. If you'll notice, you click on the whole thing. If you click on it, it has this yellow ring around it now, and you can actually drag the ring. You click it and you drag it back, and then you line it up with the end. All right, so now we click here at the very front and we click play. Okay, so now here's the thing. So I'm glad I watched this, right? So this one, if you'll notice, it did that weird thing. So that is because the crop is on Ken Burns. I do not want a Ken Burns. I want it to fit. And then it just fits the whole thing. Okay, so now we play it. And all you have to do is brush. There we go. All right, it's going on the teeth. And again, so this one here is again the crop issue, so we're going to take that to fit. So that means that all of these are probably going to be that way. We're going to adjust all the pictures that I added from Canva to equal what's called fit, not Ken Burns. I don't want the zoom thing. And we're going to fit all of these. So now when we go here, click the link in the description. All right, cool. So it's looking like it's going to work out great. And then when they click the link in the description, it takes them to my toothpaste, my whitening toothpaste company, that they can buy whitening toothpaste from me. Oh, there's a Ken Burns. Actually, those are a little bit different, so why don't we let those roll, right? Because we've already played them once normal, so now we'll play it like that. And that's it. So this video has music now from YouTube Library, and that is copyright free, so you can put whatever music in there. These pictures I just downloaded from, these are also copyright free. And then these pictures, the cartoony ones, I made myself on Canva. So that is how you make a movie with pictures from Imovie with music. I hope that helps.